Here we'll discuss a bit about asymptotes of a rational function. Now a rational function, it may have all three asymptotes. It may have vertical asymptotes, horizontal asymptotes as well as oblique asymptotes. So first we'll discuss about rectangular asymptotes and later we'll discuss about oblique asymptotes. We'll take up an example. Say for example, we are given this function fx which is x square plus 3x plus 2 upon x minus 2, and for this rational function we wish to find out its vertical and horizontal asymptotes. Now for horizontal asymptotes, we'll calculate these limits. Limit x tends to infinite x square plus 3x plus 2 upon x minus 2. Now in this case, power of numerator is greater than power of denominator. So when x approaches infinite, it approaches plus infinite. And since this value is not a finite value, we do not have a horizontal asymptote for x tends to infinity. Now if we look at this limit, x tends to minus infinite, it will be this x square plus 3x plus 2 upon x minus 2. Again here degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator. So here it will be this minus infinite. So for this rational function there is no horizontal asymptote. Now we look at its vertical asymptotes. Now for this function, we have x minus 2 in the denominator, which simply means that when x is equal to 2, this function is not defined. So it is not defined at x equal to 2. We find its left hand limit at 2. So its left hand limit at 2, it will be x square plus 3x plus 2 upon x minus 2. Now this is 2 minus h, so it will be this minus h and then this positive value. So as x approaches to negative, this value, it approaches minus infinite. And we find this limit x tends to 2 positive, it will be x square plus 3x plus 2, and this is x minus 2. Now in the neighborhood of 2, this numerator is positive and this is 2 plus h, so it will be this h. So positive value upon h is simply plus infinite. So here we have left hand limit as minus infinite and right hand limit as plus infinite. So in this case, we have a vertical asymptote at x equals 2. Now for rational functions, there is a direct shortcut or a direct way to calculate oblique asymptotes. So here we'll calculate oblique asymptotes for this function. Now basically in rational functions, oblique asymptote, it will occur if degree of numerator minus degree of denominator, it is equal to 1. So this oblique asymptote will occur if degree of numerator minus degree of denominator is 1. So there is a difference of degree 1 between numerator and denominator. So if we have any rational function which is fx upon gx, and we know that degree of fx, it is suppose n, and degree of gx, it is n minus 1. So basically we can divide fx with gx using long division or synthetic division. So when we divide it, we can write this as y equals ax plus b plus some qx upon gx, where degree of qx now is less than degree of gx. Now when degree of qx is less than degree of gx, so if we take this limit x tends to plus infinite or minus infinite, in this case, this limit qx upon gx, it will be 0. So this line y equals ax plus b, it will be an oblique asymptote for this rational function. So we come back to our example. Our function is y equals x square plus 3x plus 2 upon x minus 2. So we divide, we can write x minus 2, and here it is x square plus 3x plus 2. Now this is x, so it will be x square minus 2x. Now this is minus plus 5x plus 2 plus 5. So it will be this 5x minus 10, and this is 12. So we can write this as x plus 5 plus 12 upon x minus 2. Now if we take this limit, x tends to plus infinite or minus infinite, this expression will be 0. Then it will be this straight line. So oblique asymptote for this function y equals x square plus 3x plus 2 upon x minus 2, it will be simply y equals x plus 5. So we have this oblique asymptote. So here in this case, we do not have any horizontal asymptote, but we have a vertical asymptote at x equals 2, and we have an oblique asymptote at y equals x plus 5. Now if we look at graph of this function in Desmos, then we can see there is no horizontal asymptote, as when x tends to minus infinite, this graph, it approaches minus infinite, and as x tends to plus infinite, this graph, it approaches plus infinite. So there is no horizontal asymptote. And at x equals 2, we have this vertical asymptote. So these two branches, on the left hand side, this limit is minus infinite, and on the right hand side, this limit is plus infinite. So we have an asymptote at x equals 2. And if we draw this line, y equals x plus 5, it will be this straight line. So this is y equals x plus 5, which is the oblique asymptote for this curve. So this is how we calculate horizontal, vertical and oblique asymptotes for a rational function.